The intestine curve can be found in SASSE Library, Assets, Draw Curves, and we can drag and drop it into our scene. And there we see it's this glossy, gory kind of effect. We can assign an end cap, so an object will stick to either end. Curve resample size will determine how detailed that mesh is, so we can get something really smooth, or we can get something with a lot of ridges on it. Curve resolution will determine how many points are around our curve, so how the circular portion of the curve, and that will work in tandem with our subdivision surface level, because you can see 3 is not a lot of resolution. That should be looking like a triangle, but we have our subdivision turned up so it turns out nice and smooth. Our curve radius, I don't think, this won't actually affect our individual radius. So this is one of the curves that has a multi-strand option, so we can get multiple curves happening. So that will determine the curve radius for the multi-curves, which can also be twisted around one another. And we can add or subtract the number of strands there. So let's just stick to, 5 or 6 is fine. And then we can determine the spacing in between those strands. And when we go back to single strand, we can see that it's actually strand spacing that's controlling our curve radius.